Today, I'm gonna tell you about Rafflys, a tool that randomly chooses winners for social media giveaways and collects leads with interactive fortune wheels. Randomly select a winner from the comments that comply with the rules of your giveaways and contests. Create your own fortune wheel and registration form to capture more leads. Let's create giveaway on Instagram. Once you're logged in, you will see all your Estampos comments in all. You can choose if you want one winner, multiple winners, and even a substitute just in case. Then Rafflys automatically filters the comments that meet your contest rules. Like, if you ask your users to mention to friends and use a hashtag. You can also give up bonus chances and then block annoying spammers. You will be able to randomly pick a winner in the comments, so you're not manually combing through hundreds of entries. Now it's time to announce it to your followers. Actually, you don't need to do anything, because Rafflys will post your winners as a comment automatically. Rafflys also generates an image and video announcement for your stories. This giveaway tool works for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. You can launch your own fortune wheel with a registration form, prizes, and discounts to capture more leads. Let's say you want to run a Valentine's Day contest for your restaurant. You can add smaller prizes, like chocolates, and large prizes like a romantic dinner. Raffles lets you control the odds for each reward though. That way you're not giving away too many big-ticket items. This is a way to capture emails for your list and phone numbers for SMS campaigns. Rafflys gives you everything you need to run sweepstakes, contests, giveaways, and promotions on social media to increase engagement. Plus, you will be able to add your company logo and brand colors to make the platform your own. Create social media contests or fortune wheels to boost engagement and capture leads. Rafflys lets you launch social media giveaways or capture leads with fortune wheels, and even chooses the lucky winners at random. Boost engagement with contests. So, click on the link below to Rafflys for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.